Are you looking for the best portable lumbar pillows? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable lumbar pillows on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsonite Lumbar Support Pillow Perfectly Balanced Memory Foam. The Samsonite Lumbar Support Pillow is designed to provide superior comfort and support for your lower back. Made of high-density memory foam, it never flattens, ensuring consistent and long-lasting support. The adjustable strap allows you to use it on a variety of chairs, including office chairs, car seats, and even wheelchairs. The ergonomic curve of the pillow promotes good posture and helps to ease discomfort from prolonged sitting. The breathable, easy-to-clean mesh cover keeps the pillow fresh and cool. What we like: excellent lumbar support, comfortable memory foam, improved posture, durable materials, versatile for office or car. Number 2. KitKata 3-in-1 Electric Lumbar Massager Support Pillow. Features: 3-in-1 lumbar massage pillow for deep relief, combines massage plus heating plus airbag support. Continuous heat therapy relaxes muscles while airbag compression and vibration massage alternate intelligently. Auto mode, intelligent vibration mode accurately relieve muscle stiffness, and constant temperature infrared hot compress promote blood circulation. 1-button start electric lifting traction, physical stretching of the lumbar spine to release pressure. Upgraded electric lumbar pillow. Our product is rechargeable, expanding its flexibility and convenience. A full charge provides 4 to 5 hours of use, with 15 to 30 minutes of use per session. The 3-in-1 lumbar massager pillow enhances lumbar relaxation and provides quick relief to the lumbar for long-term relief. Portable lumbar pillow massager, equipped with a USB-C charging cable and plug. It can relieve pain anytime, anywhere, suitable for home, office, or travel use. Lower back pain relief for bed is easy to operate and suitable for all ages. Whether you have back pain from sitting for a long time while working overtime, overstrain from fitness, or back repair after childbirth, this pillow can provide professional care for your spine. How to use: 1. Long press and hold the power button to turn on or off the lumbar pillow. Set it to automatic mode, and automatically cycle between vibration, inflation, and red light modes. 2. Press and hold another button to turn on the manual mode, and short press to select the mode. The blue light flashes for vibration mode, the green light flashes for inflation mode, and the red light flashes for heating mode. Note: please read the instructions carefully and check the charging method. Ergonomic curve design, flexible adaptability. The curved contour perfectly conforms to lumbar curves, with airbags adaptively filling gaps to prevent pressure points. Whether on an office chair, sofa, or bed, it provides custom-level support that remains comfortable for extended periods without fatigue. Number 3. Fausupt Lumbar Pillow. The Fausupt Lumbar Support Pillow is designed with your comfort in mind. Its ergonomic streamlined design fills the gap between your waist and seat, reducing pressure and supporting your lower back and muscles. Whether you're using it in the car, at the office, or while sleeping, this pillow provides comfortable support at all times. Made with high-density memory foam, it offers long-lasting comfort and optimal support. The removable 4D mesh zipper pillowcase is breathable and machine washable, keeping your back cool and comfortable. With its portable storage bag, you can easily take this pillow with you wherever you go. Recommended by orthopedic doctors, this lumbar pillow is perfect for relieving low back and hip pain. What we like: ergonomic design, multiple usage, premium memory foam,